You think multiple income streams will save you? Nope. That's actually the number one mistake new entrepreneurs make when it comes to diversification. Kung isa kang bagong negosyante, panoorin mo ito. We've all heard it before. Never put your eggs in one basket. Ikaw ba? Narinig mo na ba yan? Anong tingin mo doon sa quote na yon? Because ako personally, yes, it may sound smart. It may sound safe. But here's the truth. That advice is wrong. If you diversify too soon, you don't end up secure. You end up scattered, stressed, and stagnant. Napakarami ko ng negosyante at mga taong nakitang tinry na ito at nag-fail sila. I'm not actually speaking from theory. I'm speaking from real-world experience. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakilala, my name is Migs Flores. I'm the CEO and President of IAM Plus Coaching, the largest, the leading, and the loudest coaching organization in the Philippines today. I'm also the chairman of Prime Consultancy, a strategic brain of many companies na natulungan natin to go from 0 to 8 figures. So when we talk about diversification, hindi theory ito. This is real-world experience and knowledge and insight na pwede mong matutunan. Let me tell you this. Here's the mistake. When you're just starting out, you try to do 3 to 5 things at once. Sa iba dito, no, maybe nakaka-relate kayo. A little e-commerce here, a little bit of freelancing there, tapos yung iba sa inyo, sumaside hustle pa sa trading, then yung iba sa inyo, tumatry pa ng crypto, napakadami mo nang ginagawa. It's like planting 5 seeds and not watering them right. Tapos magtataka ka, bakit hindi ito nagbubunga? The problem is this. Wala ka pa ngang napapatunayan sa isa, dumiversify ka na. Can you imagine? Ang dami mong sinimulan, wala kang pinanindigan, wala kang bagay na naging consistent ka, tapos mag-iisip ka, bakit kaya ganun? Hindi ito gumagana. This is why most entrepreneurs never take off. They diversify before they even compound. Let me share with you the solution. Ito yung pwede mong gawin starting today. Here are certain steps you can actually do. Number 1, focus. Pick your one thing, not the shiny one, not the uso, but the thing that you're willing to master. Yung bagay na kahit gisingin ka ng 3 a.m., kaya mong i-deliver. After you do that, you go to number 2, compound. Reinvest to that one thing. Double down. Every peso, every effort, every win, every lesson, every insight. Ibalik mo doon sa one thing mo. Until your income, your profit, or your revenue doesn't just grow linearly. It actually grow compounding. Yan, alam mo, ang tinatawag ko dyan is breaking the compounding line. That moment when your result starts to multiply because you've stayed consistent in one lane. After mo magawa yan, you can actually go to step number 3. That's the time you can actually diversify. Only when your first basket is stable, scalable, self-sustaining, and successful enough, you can actually branch out into related industries that reinforce your main thing. May e-commerce ka, for example. Start looking at the manufacturing. Meron ka bang coaching business? Then start investing in media or software, something that is related to your business. Nagigets mo? Kailangan always link, always strategic, always intentional. Sabi ko nga, never dapat ito magiging sabog. Para hindi scattered, para hindi kung saan-saan confusing, at para going into one thing. So the next time someone tells you, don't put your eggs in one basket, ako personally, I will respond this way. I will. I'll put my eggs in one basket. I'll make that so strong, it becomes the blueprint for every basket I will build next. Because let me tell you this, that's the difference between dabblers and builders. That's the difference between being busy and being wealthy. Focus, compound, then diversify. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how real entrepreneurs move.